Hello everyone, I'm Arun Kumar.
I'm Karthik.
I'm Kavya. We are third year students of ECE Department, SSN College of Engineering, Chennai.
We are here to present our project for the Texas Instruments Innovation Challenge India Design Contest 2015.
Our project CMT ID 716 is titled Automatic Skyscraper Window Cleaning System.
The number of skyscrapers in India is increasing each and every year. With this increase, there comes a need for properly maintaining these glass-windowed high-rise buildings. The present commonly used method for cleaning of the outer glass windows is the platform cleaning method. This method is labor-intensive, time-consuming, and above all, highly risky. Our project, Automatic Skyscraper Window Cleaning System, aims at providing an efficient automated solution for overcoming this problem.
The prototype of the proposed cleaning system is as shown here. The cleaning platform is suspended on the pulley in this position. Once the system is turned on and the dimensions of the building are input, the cleaning action is initiated. The action involves the up and down motion of the cleaning platform, simultaneously operating the roller brushes and the water sprinkler. After every up and down cycle, the platform shifts to the next section on the rail system and repeats the action recursively until the entire surface of the building is clean.
MSP 430 G2553 Launchpad, Vertical AC Motor, Horizontal AC Motor, Roller Brush AC Motor, Roller Brush, Water Solenoid Valve, SPST, SPDT Relays, Rail System. Now let us see the hardware of the Automatic Skyscraper Window Cleaning System. The hardware is pictorially represented by the circuit diagram. It consists of the vertical motor, horizontal motor, brush motor, and the water solenoid valve. The microcontroller is interfaced with these components with the help of the interface circuitry. The interface circuitry consists of the SPST and the SPDT relays. The output of the microcontroller is fed into the base of the transistor, which drives the motors through the relays. So the entire cleaning action of the Automatic Skyscraper Window Cleaning System is controlled by the microcontroller through the relays.
Our system has various advantages. It is faster and more efficient when compared to its manual counterpart. It is fairly easy to maintain. It is a one-time investment and cost-effective. It aids in the preservation of the habitants' privacy. Moreover, it is noise-free and very eco-friendly. Our project has extensive applications. Basically, it can be used on any high-rise building where there is a need for a cost-effective and time-efficient cleaning.
Thus, after a comprehensive study of the Automatic Skyscraper Window Cleaning System, it can be concluded that the system offers a myriad of advantages and removes human intervention to a large extent. We hope that the system would benefit human society by assistance through technology and protect human life above all.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like our video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button below.
Feel free to post your views in the comment section below.